Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to my Topper Student channel. In this channel, you will find the solution of mathematics and computer science for OA level past paper. Today, we shall discuss question number 4 of paper 4 mechanics session May June 2023. In order to search this channel on the YouTube, please use this word my Topper Student. You will find the channel my Topper Student. Please click the subscribe button so that you can get the notification about the latest upload on the channel. Today in paper 4 mechanics session May June 2023 we shall discuss the question number 4. An athlete of mass 84 kg is running along a straight road. Part A, initially the road is horizontal and he runs at a constant speed of 3 meters per second. The athlete produces a constant power of 60 watt. Find the resistive force which acts on the athlete. So now we shall find out the resistance force on the athlete. In the part A, in the solution section, given data is the power is 60 watt, the velocity is 3 meters per second and the mass is 84 kg. We know that power is equal to driving force into velocity. By putting the value of P is the power, dF is the driving force and V is the velocity. By putting the given value, power is 60, velocity is 3. After simplification, we get driving force is equal to 20 Newton. As the motion is constant, so resistance force equal to driving force. So the resistance force is 20 Newton. In the part B, the athlete then runs up a 150 meter section of the road which is an inclined at angle of 0.8 meter to the horizontal. The speed of the athlete at the start of this section of road is 3 meters per second and he now produce a constant driving force of 24 Newton. The total resistance force which acts on the athlete along this section of the road has a constant magnitude 13 Newton. Use an energy method to find the speed of the athlete at the end of this 150 meter section of this road. So now we shall find out the velocity of the athlete at the end of 150 meter section of the road. First of all, the given data is mass is 84 kg. PE at the bottom is equal to, we know that the formula for the PGE is mgh, m is 84, g is 10 and height is 0 in the start. So PE is 0 at the start, the PE at the top is equal to mgh, m is equal to 84, g is equal to 10 and a height is equal to, as by using the trigonometry, the height is equal to 150 sine 0.8. After simplification, the potential energy at the top is 1759.2. Now, change in potential energy is equal to initial final PE minus initial PE is equal to 1759.23. Change in kinetic energy, we know that change in kinetic energy is equal to final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic energy. By putting the value of the final kinetic energy and initial kinetic energy, because the final velocity is V and the initial velocity of the athlete is 3. After simplification, the total work done is work done by the driving force minus work done by the resistance force. The work done by the resistive force is equal to 13 into 150 as we have calculated in the previous step, and the work done by the driving force is equal to 2415 after simplification. So by energy method, change in P plus change in KE equal to total work done. From equation 1, 2 and 3 as we have calculated in the above step, the total work done is equal to total work done. So change in P is equal to 1759.23 and the change in kinetic energy is 122.84 V square minus 1 by 2 84.9 and the work done against the resistance is equal to 24 into 150 minus 13 into 150 as we have calculated in the above step. After simplification, V is equal to 2.53 meter per second. Thank you for watching the solution prepared by senior A-level teacher. Wish you good luck for your exam.